In this video, we are going to explain how to export Emergent AI code to VS Code. Now, if you have a subscription, right, if you have the standard or the pro, this is going to be very easy. All you need to do is click on code, right, and there's going to be an option for you to download this to VS Code directly, right? But if you don't have VS Code installed, there are two other ways. One is, well, install VS Code and just manually get the code here and then move it to VS Code, right? The other option is going to be if you click on your profile again here, and there's going to be an option to connect to GitHub. So you need to have your GitHub available and connected to your Emergent AI account, and you can just do it that way. It's practically the same thing, and after that you will be good to go. But then again, like what I said, if you're doing this using the free tier, there's practically no way to click on code, because this is pretty much the gateway for that, right? Once you click on code, like what I'm doing right now, there's going to be an option here that says, you know, for VS Code, you can download the code, you can and then just paste it here, right? The only way you can do this is if you do my way, where you just copy all the code of whatever project you made and then go through GitHub, right? And yeah, pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.